Welcome to our channel. If you want to link Netflix to your Google Home for voice-controlled streaming, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect the services. Step 1. Ensure your Google Home device is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV or Chromecast device. Step 2. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account associated with your Google Home device. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Google Home app, then select Assistant Settings from the menu. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Videos and Photos under the Media section. This is where you'll link your streaming services. Step 5. Look for Netflix in the list of available services and tap on it. If you don't see Netflix, scroll through the list as it may be further down. Step 6. Tap the link button next to Netflix. You'll be redirected to the Netflix login page within the app. Step 7. Enter your Netflix email address and password to sign into your account. Make sure you use the correct credentials for the account you want to link. Step 8. After successful login, you'll see a confirmation message that Netflix is now linked to your Google Home. The app will return to the Video Settings page. Step 9. Test the connection by saying commands like, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix," to your Google Home device. The content should begin playing on your linked TV or Chromecast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.